Hey guys, Henry here from PowerProbe today to talk about the new PP3PF with PowerFlow Technology. Today we're talking about the new circuit breaker in the PP3PF and why it's better than the legacy technology in the PP3. Let me show you how. So if you're familiar with the PP3, it has an 8 amp mechanical thermal circuit breaker. It is a physical circuit breaker. When it is tripped, you have to physically reset it yourself. So I'll show you here. On a dead short to ground, if I go to apply power, see there it took a second for the tool to reset. You see, get your C8 message on the screen, the circuit breaker. I'm going to go ahead and press that. It gets reset. Mechanical circuit breakers have their uses, but it leaves some room for error. If I was on a ECU circuit there, I may have been enough time to damage it. So we want to show you the change we made in the PP3PF. In the PP3PF, we added a automatic resetting solid state circuit breaker and upped the circuit breaker capacity to 10 amps. So now take a look at when I go to dead short on this tool. Got your ground, immediately reset, absolutely minimizing the amount of time that you could have any error and giving you more room for error. You asked, we listened. These are the things over the years that you've had problems with the PP3, and we're addressing all of it with our new PP3PF, available today.